everyone, this is Paridhi. Welcome back to my channel, The Styling Stories. If you're new to my channel, then hi. Do subscribe to my channel if you like this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the different colors that have been released by Pantone for 2021. These are the colors for summer, spring, and I'm going to show you different combinations that you can try with these this 2021. For those who doesn't know about Pantone, Pantone provides a universal language of color that enables color critical decisions that through every stage, and more than 10 million designers and producers rely on them. Pantone products and services help define, communicate, and control color from inspiration to realization. If you want to know more about them, then you can check out the link in my description box. Now, without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So the colors of Pantone that we are going to discuss here are Illuminating, Raspberry Sorbet, Green Ash, Cerulean, Buttercream, Marigold, Inked. So there are more colors on their side, but I have chosen these 7 colors to discuss and show you all. So starting with the first one, which is Illuminating, that is yellow. This color is gonna be everywhere this summer, this spring, this 2021, as this color is a happy color. As we all know, it signifies joy, prosperity, and it feels alive when you're wearing this color. This bright yellow denim is a perfect exemplary of Illuminating. I have styled it with a skirt and a cami, wearing my lemon white shoes and added a cap to give it a super cool, super sporty look. Talking about the next one, which is Raspberry Sorbet, representing bright and tanginess in all of our lives. Well, I absolutely love such bright and bold colors because I think that kind of suits me well. For this, I styled my dhoti pants with a blue denim top. I know it's an unusual combination, but when put together, it is looking classy, and the boots are adding on to the boldness of the look. I literally love this look. The third one, this is Cerulean, the sky blue. This color is the same as the clear sky. It represents hope for the year 2021, as we all have been through a lot in 2020. Here I'm wearing a sky blue top over the white top with my palazzo pants, and of course white shoes to add style to the whole look. Added my white bag to complete the look. This look is super trendy and will continue to be trending in 2021 as well. The next color is Desert Mist, the color invoking images of shifting powdery sand. Well, this color will continue to be classic and will be trending in 2021 as well. You might have seen this color everywhere in 2020. Here I'm wearing my top with this pants and added boots and these jewelry to give it an Indo-Western look, and the boots to of course add boldness, confidence and style. I literally love these kind of smart and bold looks. The fifth one is Green Ash. The color green that softens and cools down is the color that we are talking about. I am totally in love with this color, and the color is so different that it will instantly make you stand out when you're wearing it. I would literally recommend you to have one such color in your wardrobe because it looks absolutely different, unique, and adds much more to your whole personality. I'm wearing this beautiful top with this denim skirt and kept the look minimal, as denim skirts are already too smart and too chic. That is why I've just added this waist bag to complete the look. The second last color, Inked, a mixture of black and blue, is all we need this 2021. I have a dungaree dress which I'm wearing with my white sheer top and added white shoes to complete the look. I think it's kind of a cute outfit. And the last one is Marigold. A golden orange infused yellow lends a warming presence. This is like a pop of color in everyone's wardrobe for the fact that it is so bright and bold and pretty. Here I'm wearing the shirt with basic blue denim and just added heels to give it an edgy vibe. And that's it for the video. I hope I was able to help you out with the outfit ideas for this 2021. If this video was helpful to you in any way, then do hit like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon for the next video updates. Bye bye guys, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.